This simple change made my trading 10 times more profitable. That change is sticking to one mechanical strategy and nothing else. I trade the strategy live Monday through Friday for free on my YouTube. My schedule is posted on the free Discord so you'll know when I'm going live. I call the strategy NNT. It is fully mechanical so you don't need any indicators. The link below will take you to a video that provides a deeper dive into the strategy. If you're looking to master market direction and gain more clarity, I've created a course within the mentorship to help you with that. You can also take advantage of a free 3-day trial of the mentorship, which includes full access to the course. Now let's get into the back test and trade the strategy. Let me get rid of my face here so we can go over it real quick. Let's see. Boom. All right, so I call this NNT, new name trading. It works in any market and it works on any time frame. It's super simple. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. We look for a swing high and a swing low. So we get a sweep, sweep, break of structure right here. Then we tap on the zone, break of structure after the tap, and then want it to reach one standard deviation. We want less than 3 taps on the zone, so we don't need any taps. So we put our entry at 50%, and if we get 3 taps, we take the order off. If we get 2 taps, we keep the order on. We enter at 50%. We put our TP above and our stop one tick below. And for bearish, so the downside, we just flip all this. So let's get into this. I already have my market direction all set up. If you want to more in depth on the strategy, the link below will take you to a video where I talk about the swings more, and then let's do the free trial on the mentorship if you want to understand market direction more. So let's get into this. Currently, I don't see any plays. Here's the strategy. I'm going to have it up right here, and I want to journal. It's super mechanical, so we do not need any indicators at all. The only indicator that I really use is just for news, because I don't want to be looking up websites and stuff to find out when news is hitting. Just have the indicator to tell me. Okay, so let's fast forward a bit here. I don't really see anything. I see something here, just so minuscule and small. Nah, that tap was too deep. Let's see. Oh, look at this. I like that better, actually. I'm very interested in this play. I normally don't take plays from this opening range, from like the first hour open, but there's a high time frame zone that's right in the middle, so I do like that. Let's see standard deviation real quick. Let's put it right here. Yep, standard deviation. So one tap. And okay, so if we get 2 more taps, I'll take this order off. But I'm very interested in taking this. Keep it right here. So it seems like we're pretty bullish here. Currently not liking the volatility that's showing on this day. It's pretty sloppy. The strategy works best in stable volatility. It even works on Bitcoin, actually. It's pretty cool. Okay, so look, I see a zone right here. Just need it to reach standard deviation. If I want to take this though, we can find that out right now. Yep, it did. So put an order there. One tick below, and I want to change this to 40%. I go over this more on the mentorship course. It's basically free because you get a free 3-day trial and you can just blow through it. But it's basically just like 40%. If price crosses and touches a blue, then the zone is mitigated, meaning that the zone's no longer tradable. Strategy is so simple. It might look difficult now, but if you just keep doing this again and again and again, it becomes so easy that it becomes boring, and that's what you want. Just looking for the same thing again and again. And I trade this live. This is the 5-second chart on the bottom, the 1 minute on top. I use the 15-minute for more clear direction. Because the strategy literally works on any time frame. It even works on the 1 hour and 4 hour and daily. Could have skipped this forward a bit. Is there anything we're missing up here? No. There's this zone above, but I don't think I'm going to take it. It's a nice tap on there. Oh, you know what? I think I would have been interested in taking it. It's the top of the range though, so nah. Let's see if it reached 40%. I'm curious. Got really close. Yeah. They got too close to it, and I don't really like taking these trades that are in the range. See if we see any of this pause. See if we see anything else here. I see something. All right. We got too far away from these. Let's take these off. Still 50%. It's about to hit stop. Oh, nope. It hit TP. How cool was that? Okay. I'm interested in this play below. Let's get ready for it. Put our 40% on here. Okay. Let me put my order on here. Put our TP above. Our stop one tick below. I want a reaction. Oh, that's the reaction I wanted. Let me slow this down. It's going way too fast. Okay, so we got a reaction to the zone. We got our one tap. Standard deviation has to be like up here somewhere. We got our sweep over here. Sweep, tap, break a structure after the tap. Reach standard deviation. Got a reaction before entering. Let's see what happens. I like everything so far. It's following all my rules. If we get another tap and another tap, I have to take this order off because 3 taps is a no-go. I'll consider that as a tap. Too many taps. Most of the time it just slices through after all those taps. All right, buddy. Let's see. Do we see any plays above? We do not. Okay. All right. I'm not liking how much this is tapping at all. It's really putting me off. Let me get it. If we break this eternal high or eternal structure right here, I'm gonna take the order off. Yeah, I'm taking this order off. This is way too many taps. That's a no-go for me. Do we see anything else up here? No. Let's see. Let me pause this. Let's see what I see right here. Yeah, I don't like that either. Nah, okay, let's keep moving. But I've been backtesting like pretty bad price action days. Yeah, so I definitely would not have taken this live. I would have definitely taken my order off. It tapped way too many times. Take this off too. But we can use it to gauge direction. Very, very lame price action here. Yeah, they're totally uninvited to the club because this is ugly. And look, it went for the stop. Oh, it did not hit stop. Oh, now it did. It's funny. Let's see. Nah, tap was too deep. Just don't like it. It wasn't even really a clear tap. Oh, look, I see something here. And it's been respected too. Let's market this out. All right, and then we're getting a reaction. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Let's analyze this real quick. So here's the first one, second one. Okay, second and third swing normally do work out pretty well. So let me restate that. Second and third sweep swings work out pretty well. So there's our tap, our break of structure, our sweep. Let's put our 40% here. Something I really like. I'm very interested in this play. Let's put it down. I do not like this tapping over here. Okay, let's see. All right. TP above. Stop below. Okay. If we break this high right here, I'm taking it off. There we go at 50%. Let's see if we hit our stop or TP. Just let us do this thing. Looks like it's gonna hit our stop. We'll see. And then we're ready to journal the play after whatever happens here. Boom, TP was hit. Yay. Okay, so let's take a picture. Let's extend that out a bit. Now see it like that. Okay, let's document this. So why did I take this play? I'll go over the play too. Second and third swing are normally higher higher prop. Second and third, that's my bad. Sweep swing a higher prop. Textbook setup. This is mechanical, so we don't need anything that hard. Just did what we're supposed to do. Oops. Let's see. One tap. And I normally want a turtle structure to break to count as a second tap. So you can say this is turtle structure. Tap. Yeah, just basically one tap. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's see if we see anything to the downside. We did not. Let's mark this red. Seems like we're gonna get a reaction to this one because we're flying back up right now. I won't take it though because the way we're chopping. I stopped trading at 11, so just because that's when volatility becomes unstable again at 11 o'clock Central Time. I only trade 9:40 to 11 o'clock live because volatility is stable, and 9:40 to 11 o'clock Central Time. Let me get rid of this blue ice cream colors, whatever. I like to make my colors bright and stuff, just for those new people who are coming in and don't really understand everything. These bright colors really help things stick to you. So this play below, I'm not gonna take it. Normally, if this one delivers, the bottom ones would not deliver. The strength will come and slice them both. See, I see a play right here, and I think it delivered. I just do not like taking these plays. Solely because it's in a zone already. So yeah, I called this. I knew we were going to come back to it and react to it. So predictable. I've been watching NQ every single day since last year, October. So yeah, look. And it wasn't super proper or clean, so it sliced right through. But we came to come push it. So we got a zone above. We have this zone above. I'm not sure if it's going to come all the way back up to this. Just kind of extend it out. It'll give me more. Let's see if we can. If we can't bust through this, and I can understand that we're still bearish and we're not bullish just yet. The whole point of knowing if we're bearish or bullish is to know if we're taking trades with the trend or against the trend. And if we're taking trades against the trend, it's lower probability. So currently, on the higher time frame, it seems pretty bearish. But if we can break above this, then I can start to assume that we're gonna start being bullish. See, like this play right here. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. So you see this tap right here? This is a beautiful play. But if we reject extremely hard up here and don't get a strong push, then I'm not gonna take this. It's like this exactly. This is exactly what I'm talking about. See, this is not something I want to take. If we got a stronger push up with more volatility, then I'll be interested in taking it. Yep, this is exactly what I wanted. Strong push up, then I'll take the trade. I don't know why I can't. There it goes. Let me put the order just in case. How do I know what's going to happen? Like, how am I calling this? It's just because I've been doing this excuse my language, but every damn day, again and again and again. It's so mechanical, so there's no intuition or like nonsense that you have to worry about. And that's the whole point of the mentorship is I help you master this. And master your behaviors and your emotions, like if you're like filled with instant gratification in your life or just a bunch of other things. And I have a free trial on here, so just take advantage of it. Okay, so let's just keep moving. So I like this play so far. There's obviously a lot of strength to the upside. Did I see anything else in the 15-minute? Nope. Let's ignore that. Did I see anything over here? Yeah, there was something over here that I didn't mark out. It's like right here. It's very small though. We just sliced through it too, I bet. Yep, sliced right through it. It's not something I would take in because it's not necessarily in the range. It's out of the range. So. Yeah, I don't think we're coming back down at all. This seems like we're just flying up. I don't really see any plays when we're uptrending. Yeah, look at this 1 minute. We're just flying up. Let's see if we come back down. These lines right here are fibs that I have from initial balance, like the first hour open. For some reason, we always react to these lines. If you want a more in depth on them, just do the mentorship trial and go to the market direction section. And the course is only like, I think like five or like 8 videos. Like it's not that many videos, and they're really short. And the market direction thing talks about these fibs and settings, so you can pull on your broker. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I see something here. It's not the prettiest tap, and I need more of a clear standard deviation because it's like it's still fighting to go up. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna take this actually because it's past 11. I don't know. I like this. Nah, let me not. Let's skip to 12:30 because that's when I start trading again. And let's see how things are. So if I were live, I wouldn't necessarily trade at 12:30, just because how volatility has been so far. Because the morning can kind of give me a grasp of how the afternoon is gonna be. Like this buffoonery, like I don't want to trade this in the afternoon. The afternoon is normally a lot less, a lot more unpredictable. Because morning is predictable, afternoon is not that predictable. It whiplashes a bunch in the afternoon. I have to be very selective in the afternoon. So let's skip to the afternoon real quick. Just gotta get to 12:30. Come on, we're almost there. 12:19, 12:20. Okay, 12:30. Let's pause it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see this nonsense? No one wants to trade that. Let's mark out the zones that we are left behind. Okay. What else? What's up here? I'll mark this zone out too. It's a nice tap on it, I won't lie. Okay, what about down here? I don't take trades with equal lows. Like with the, just honestly just gonna bust through it. Because you can only knock so many times. Let's see here. Do I see anything else? I see something that we might respect, but not something I would trade. Okay. This will help me gauge direction more. And you know what? Let me do this too. Okay. I'm not going to take those though, because they're just to help me understand direction. Oh, nice. That zone got filled. It's pretty cool. Yep. Seems like we're being bearish now. See what I see. Oh, I'm kind of interested in this one because it's the second swing or the second sweep. Let's see how deep this tap was. Let's do our 40% here. Let's make this tighter too. Yeah, I like this play up here. I think I'd be considered taking this one. Let's see if we can come back up. I'll put my order there. TP below. Stop one tick above. And if 130 hits, I'll stop trading. Let's adjust this real quick. Making sure we're all good to go here. Okay. Do I see anything to the... Yes, I do. I see something here, actually. Just a zone that we're respecting. Okay. See what happens. Oh, this is a zone from earlier. Okay. It's something I would trade, but I see a zone here. Okay. I don't even think we're going to come back up. Alrighty, we'll see. Come on, buddy. I'm liking this play less and less and less just because how price is right now. I'm not going to take this play at all. Just nasty price action. And this zone isn't within this zone. The zone that I took the trade on earlier. Yeah, I'm liking this play less and less just because we're respecting a lot of downside stuff. Like a lot of downside zones. Let's see. If I can get a tap with a large reaction, I'll be interested in it. If that happens before 130. If 130 hits, I'm just going to end the session. and which more likely might happen. Because normally any plays I take after 130 just gets sliced. So volatility is unstable. Yeah, look at this buffoonery. Yeah, that's funny. Let's see if this delivered. Curious. Oh, this one delivered. That's pretty cool. There's way too many taps though. This zone's holding still. Yeah, just got the end the session here. This was predictable. Given how sloppy afternoon was, I mean sloppy morning was, afternoon was sloppier. I found nothing in afternoon. Okay, that concludes our session. We took one trade. We're up 1R. Let's fill out our journal here. P&L, let's just say, oh, actually, let's leave it out. Risk per trade, let's just say 100. Manage DD, yes, by managing our trades. Super equilibrium. Session showed up for both. I took one trade. What am I gonna put here? Took sexy third sweep swing, was super selective, and found nothing else. All right, I think that concludes our session. Thank you for sharing for the back test. Please take advantage of the mentorship. It's literally free for 3 days, so just blow through the course in those 3 days, and you can make you decide if you want to stay in the mentorship or not. And if you do, we can hop on a call and get you situated and get you in the right direction. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for sticking around, and best of luck. And if you're considering it, stop trading what you're trading now. Focus on this 100%. You will become profitable because it's so mechanical for your subconscious to remember. And check out the videos I have posted. You'll learn more, especially the one that's how to be profitable in 19 minutes. It just kind of tells you how to be profitable. You don't even have to use the strategy. Just using the strategy you're using now, you learn how to be profitable using the strategy you're using currently. All right, T2YL. Thank you for watching.